This is a 2019 Kia Sorento, and I've seen problems with people changing the headlight bulbs out and not being able to get them back in there properly. That is how it should look when properly installed. If you'll look right there, let me see if we get a screwdriver in on it. I'm looking through the hole backwards. But see that little triangle right there? That's the wide slot. It should finish with the socket ears being straight up and down like that. It should be relatively easy to take in and out. You got the wide one at the bottom that lines up with the tab on the bulb itself, and two narrower ones at the top. So when you put this thing in there, you have to make sure this wide bar lines up with that slot that has the triangle beside it. And when you do that, it goes in there pretty easy peasy. If you look right there, there's a triangle and there's the wide slot. If you make sure the wide slot on the bulb adapter, the bulb all line up with that, push the bulb squarely in, then turn it to the right a little bit to get it clicked in and locked, you'll be good to go. And just to let you know, it has a cover on it. It's no big deal. It just screws in. Also, you have to spin it around until you find out where it drops in, because there's going to be a wide slot somewhere on it too. Usually you can just spin it a couple times, you don't have to really look. But now that I've said that, it's probably going to make a liar out of me. Yeah, because that's 3 different ways I've done it. Oh, there we go. It just dropped in there. And tighten it down. Okay, I'm changing out the passenger side bulb on this same 2019 Kia Sorento. And if you'll notice, there's the wide tab, but the tab on the bulb was over there, and it was loose in the socket holder, so it's already about wore itself out from vibrating around. So we're going to stick a new bulb in it. We're going to have the tab over here, and then we're going to stick it in there on the wide slot where that triangle's at, and get this thing secured and get their lights working right for them for probably the first time since they started messing with it. It looks good as far as all the terminals go, and it was good and snug when I pulled it out. You see it's even got a little recess there that tab nestles down into. And unlike the other one where the tabs were straight up and down, this one's rotated a different way. So I guess you can't go by just that being the only indicator. You have to go by sticking it in there where that triangle is on the widest slot, getting that lined up, then everything else will go just the way it's supposed to.